folks, and welcome to the Mortgage Update with Dan Frio. Today is July 7th, Tuesday, Rate Update Tuesday. So let's get on it. We got a great day with mortgage rates, people. Again, all of my clients currently, I have not locked you. Almost everybody is floating unless you are scheduled to close within the next 7 days. So basically everybody is on the fence right now. Don't worry. The rates I promised you, I'll get you those or better. So without further ado, I'm going to go over what the market's doing right now, the economic calendar, which is pretty uneventful for the week. And we're going to go, I found a few different websites. We're going to go on to some websites. I Googled mortgage rates or mortgages near me or something like that, and I'll show you that as we do this live. And I'm not making this up. I'll just click it in there and you're going to watch me. So sometimes I win. There's probably going to be times I lose. Please be careful with those ones that just seem way too good to be true, because there's probably something in the fine print. And I found one that I'm going to show you. So don't go anywhere. So here we go. So what we got here is the mortgage-backed securities market for the newbies. I'll go through it real quick. For the people that follow me all the time, hang tight for a minute. I'm going to go through this pretty quick. So what we follow here on the channel is, it's called the rateupdate.com. I follow mortgage rates. I'm a mortgage advisor, have been doing it for 30 years plus, actually 32 years. And I try to educate my consumers or my clients as much as I can and educate you guys on the mortgage process, kind of pull the curtain back a little bit to show you behind the scenes, what we do and how we do it. So check out some of my other videos that I have on here. I got about 500 videos plus. Hopefully you find them informative. So what we follow is the mortgage-backed securities market, and it's called the MBSs. It's right here. Hold on, let's let that drop back here in a second. Well, up is good. So like I always say to my clients, up, green, good. Down, red, bad. What that means is when this number goes up, it actually is the price of a bond. So just Google, how do bond prices work? The easiest way I can explain it, I'll just give you Bonds 101, is if you pay more for a bond, you're going to get a lower rate of return. If you pay less for a bond, you get a lower rate or a higher rate of return. Here's how it works. Let's say you want to buy a bond for $100 that it matures in a year, and you pay $100 for it. So you give the bank $100 today. A year from now, they give you $100 back. What's your rate of return? Zero, nothing. If you paid $1 for it, and a year from now you get $100, I don't know the rate of return on that. So but you can see the lower you pay, the higher the yield. Okay, so that's how that portion works. So the rate of return, how we explain it here, is that's your interest rate, your rate of return, your interest rate, your mortgage rate. So we love when this number is going up. This is a nice number. And again, for all my current clients, don't go freaking. You're not locked. Almost nobody's locked that is not closing within a week or so. Why? Is because the rates have been flat. We, down through here, there really wasn't anything affecting the markets other than the Fed, what they're doing on a day-to-day basis. As soon as I start hearing rumblings of Corona 2, I'm just sitting on the fence, because the Fed's just going to step in and keep doing everything and anything they can to stabilize this market, because the mortgage market is basically the heartbeat of the whole country. So here, this is a nice trend up. Rates are getting a little bit better, not extremely, extremely better, but they're very good. The best way to do this, if you're kind of on the fence, you're like, I need just a little bit lower on that rate, apply. I'm going to actually, what we call float you. I'm not going to lock in until we agree upon it, or you're getting pretty close to your closing, and we'll lock you in at the rate I quote you initially, and or in most cases, a lot of cases, better than what I quoted you. So the economic news for today is the stock market took a bit of a hit, as you can see here. The economic calendar, let's just go to the economic calendar, because basically, the Fed is in total control of what's happening with mortgage rates right now. And there's really nothing coming up that's going to affect anything. The Jolt index, that was a little bit higher than thought. No big deal there, and I won't explain that because it's not that informative. Continuous job claims, initial job claims, all this stuff, producer price index, which causes, it tracks inflation. There's going to be really no inflation other than maybe food and energy. Food prices are going up, especially chicken and beef. But other than that, nobody's really buying anything right now. Jobless claims, it is what it is. So we see on the headlines, I'll post this here shortly, mortgage rates just got even lower. So again, don't freak out. I got you in control. So here's what I just did. I went in and did this. I put, and you can see it as I'm doing on the fly, mortgage, MORTGAGE. I knew I was going to spell it. Mortgage rates near me. Look what I posted right up there. Click it. There's several things that come up. So here's what I did. I went through and I'm like, we do a lot of VA loans. So I'm going to see what the VA rates look like. And I'm going to compare 3 different scenarios in this, on this top tiered piece right here, on, some mortgage rates. So this comes up with the VA mortgage. So you're assuming they got the best rates in town when it comes to VA mortgages. They're all in on the VA programs. So we go down through here and let's see what rate they have. Okay, they have a rate, home purchase, 30-year fixed, VA 2.99. Very good. Here's what to watch for. The fine print. VA loans. Why would you take out a VA loan? Well, multiple reasons. One of the biggest reasons is no money down. Leverage your money. Why would you put a ton of money down when you can get a mortgage rate or a 30-year money lent to you at under 3%? Okay? So here's what you got to watch for. Rate based on loan amount of $315 with a loan to value of 70% with a 770 credit score. Well, if you're putting down 30% on this, you're putting down in this case, $100,000. What's the point of going with a VA loan? You're under 70%, so you don't have to pay PMI. You have a great credit score. If you do a VA loan, one of the cons about doing a VA loan, there's a VA funding fee, and it's usually it can be, if you're refinancing, up to 3% of the loan amount. But the benefit of it is you're doing 100% financing of your home. So, let's just check it out. I'm going to go to my website, and I do this all the time. So I'm going to change this. I'll just do 100% loan to value. We got a 315 loan, 315 home. I'll just do it that way. I'll show you mine at 100%. We're probably right there with them at 100%. Oh, come on, mouse. So 100% there. We're going to do let's do a purchase. 780 credit score. They said phenomenal credit. And we'll go down here and pick a VA program. So let's go see where we are. And remember, their loan that it compared it against, if you have a $315,000 loan, I'll do the math while this is thinking, and you're putting down 30%. That's a $450,000 purchase. So you're putting down over $100,000. Okay, just put that in perspective. In mine, here's mine. Right now, 3%, let's say $299. That'll cost you $100. So you can finance the whole thing, theoretically, and get the exact same rate for $100. You choose. So here, let's go to, it was a 45-day lock, I think. That's irrelevant. So that's that one. This one is real estate loans. Credit union one. You think of a credit union. Oh my God, they got fantastic rates. Well, let's see. We're on a VA loan right now. So VA. Let's go to the fine print. Let's see. Where does it say VA? Let's see the caveat here. Number 1. Additional terms available. Whatever that means. Oh, let's just say. VA. 30-year fixed. 4%. 4%. Where was I? Let's go 3%. 1% better. Okay, let's go to, what is their FHA 30-year? 4.125. I'm going to go into this one. FHA requires 3.5% down. So in this case, we have a $315,000 purchase times 96.5%. That would be the loan amount. So we'd have a 303 loan amount. 303 loan amount purchase, and I'm going to change this to an FHA because that's what our comparison is. So let's see what this comes up with. Let's go back to them. Credit Union 1, fantastic rates, best in business. 4.125. What is mine? Let's go here, Jenny May. My rate is, and I'll show you how to read this here in a second. You get 3.25. And actually, we would give you a rebate check for $277. What were they again? 4.125. I am 1% cheaper than they are. Crazy. Okay, let's go to the next one. This is Bank of America. So we're going to go through here. Let's read the fine print before we do anything else. What do we see down here? Oh, here we go. Mortgage as of 740 credit score. There's got to be more to it. Let's see. That's okay. We got a $315,000 purchase, 5% down. So again, $350,000 purchase with 5% down. Let me go over to mine. We got a $350,000 purchase. I got to change this. With 5% down, that means the loan amount is $332,500. We're going to do it as a purchase with great credit scores as a conventional finance loan. Let's see where we're at. We are competing against, on a 30-year fix, 3.375 with a 0.558 in points. I would be at, in this case, you would probably fit into this program here. I would be at 3.125, and I'm actually giving you almost $1,000. 3.125. They are at 3.375, and you would owe 0.558. So on that loan amount, let's figure out how much in fees you would pay. 0.558 of 332.5. 0.558. Almost $2,000. So I beat them by almost $3,000. I'm going to end it there. VA rates, we are the best in the business. FHA rates, we are the best in the business. Conventional financing, we are the best in the business when comparing it to just go to mortgage rates near me, and I compete all over the board. So I'd love for you to reach out to us. Here's probably the best way to get us is you can go to therateupdate.com. Give me a call personally, 844-775-LOAN. That's 844-775-5626. You can reach me at dfrio, which is Frio. So dfrio at preferredrate.com. Or shoot me, or just go to the website, therateupdate.com. That's it. That's the rate update for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got something out of it. What I'm trying to explain to you is I do all your shopping for you. I got the programs for you. I have no overlays, and that might be confusing to some. But if Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac approves you, we're good to go. So I'll do another video on that. I'm saving you a lot of time, a lot of effort, and a lot of aggravation. Just give us a call. We'll get back with you. I'm losing my voice for some reason. If it's during office hours, apply online. We'll get back with you within an hour with a pre-approval, or just pick your brain on what you're looking to do. But give us a call, shoot me an email, go to our website, track us down. We're here to help. So God bless. Take care. Be safe. And I'll see you tomorrow. Same time, same place. Bye-bye.